Hello everyone, my name is Edison Lesmes. Today I am going to present my infographic about 3D printed food, a new technology that is changing the way we eat. 3D printed food is made by using a special printed for transforms ingredients into a paste and then prints food layer by layer. This technology is very useful in hospitals, for example, where patients who cannot chew or swallow normal food can eat customized meals. Another interesting use is in restaurants, where chefs create unique shapes and designs that would be impossible with traditional cooking. Some advances are food personalization, creativity, and less food waste. However, there are some also changes, such as the high cost of the machines and the fact that many people are not used to eating 3D print meals. In conclusion, 3D printed food shows use how technology can transform the way we prepare it and enjoy meals. Maybe in the future this will be part of daily life. Thank you for watching my presentation. Bye.